Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today, and this video explains it all. I bake my face, so we are going to try a new palette from Beauty Glaze, which is the Balinese Monkey eyeshadow palette. Ano kaya ma-discover ko dito sa palette na ito? Just keep up. Hey guys, so welcome back. So I will review another palette for decades or years or reviewing on my channel. So welcome back. So this explains why my face it's like baking. So we're going to blend it later. Because we're going to put some powder products, contour powder, face press powder later on after this doing our eye makeup look. So anyways, this is a Valley Smoky eyeshadow palette. So this consists a color palette of silvers, blacks, whites, and wood. So I'm gonna swatch it all. So this is the first one. First is the shimmer shades. Wait. This is the shimmer shades. There's a black. There's a white. There's the first column. Next column. Then I notice it's all black. It's all black in the making. So this in the second column and last column. Ayan. Ayan yung mga swatch. Na-miss kayo ganito kung na-miss niyo yung you know that you miss this kind of yung literal na swatch video talaga on So this is all the shades of the Beauty Glaze Balinese Smoky eyeshadow palette. Okay, so we're going to make an eye makeup look. So it's been long since I reviewed this kind of palettes. I don't remember. It's been weeks, I don't know. So let's get this color as our base for this eye shadow. This can be the skin color that matches my skin tone with it. It's the same format as the Ready Set Glow na palette na color white yung I don't remember the shade pero color white the variant, but it's color white. It's color white, yung puro white, ito puro black. So let's try mix this two to put the warmth here. Okay, the mattes is so cute. So easy to use. Parang gagawa ako ng 2000s makeup look. Parang 2000s makeup look itong palette na to. That's why I have this palette to do the 2000s makeup look in the making. 2000s makeup look. Wow. Then we're going to get this shade. Parang silver dito. Okay. This is an easy to use palette. Parang wow, tapos matatapos ang dito. Wow. This is a good palette to use. Then I'm gonna use my hands, so we'll trying this glitter shade. Okay. Beauty Glaze, you're back in the game in terms of eyeshadow palettes kasi si Miss Lara yung sa mga affordable palettes, si Miss Lara ang lumalaban. Tapos yung mga local brands, Vice, lumalaban sa local brands si Vice, tsaka other brands like Detail, like Squad Cosmetics, lumalaban sa mga palette. Wow. Then we're gonna put shimmers here para ma-intensify natin yung wow, parang literal na 2000s makeup look na to. I love it. Then lagyan natin. Then we're going to put some black. Syempre here para pang smoke out. Uy, ang ganda pang smoke out nito, but it's so cute to date with this one. Cute, ang cute. Oh my god, I love how they bronzer. How they ano. Thank you. Oh my god, I love this. I super duper love this. Guys, so we're done with our final makeup look. So beauty glaze, wow, hindi kayo nagpapatalo in terms of the eyeshadow formula. I super duper love it. And ang daling, syempre, ito madaling gamitin. Ito madali siyang gamitin. And I create a perfect parang 2000s makeup look inspired using this palette. I'm enjoying using the palette. The mattes are so pigmented, and this one is hindi siya madaling parang pwede ko na siyang i-alternate yung mga ganitong black. If you mix the black shades, I can use it as an alternate for your pag-eyeliner. Pag tinatamad ka mag-eyeliner, ito na lang pwede mong gamitin by using this kind of brush. Ito kasi originally, itong brush na to, mga ganitong brushes pang kilay. Pero ito, ginagamit ko siya pang, yung ganito, sa eyeshadow. Yung eyeshadow, ginagawa kong alternate for powder liners. The mattes are perfect. The colors of the palette with this one, I can create a beautiful smoky eyes. And then, ito yung first time na meron akong ganitong klaseng palette na ganitong color palette. And it's easy to use, and I create a perfect makeup look for this. That's it for today's video. So that's my review. So 139 pesos for this Valinite na smoky eyeshadow palette. You try it, maganda siya on my eyes, creating a perfect smoky look or 2000s makeup look. That's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.